Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about ATA or Automata. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. Now we're gonna start with this one, the Bollinger Band here. There is a three band here. The first of all, this yellow one, is upper band on the 1.9823 US dollar. For this one, the pink one side here is a middle band on the 1.5894 US dollar. So for the purple one here, the purple one is a lower band on the 1.19 US dollar. Looking also in here, if they go down, having a little bit chance to go down to the pink one side here, then you can entry on it. And if you want to wait and see for a long term, then still a good opportunity for this cryptocurrency ATA, right? Looking on the RSI stochastic is already a little bit overbought. Go to the natural position, right? Because in the RSI 6 is in the 50, range 55, right? For the RSI 12 and RSI 24 is above 50, range of 62 until 64. For the moving average here, there's already below the yellow one here, and try to go to the pink one side here. The pink one side here is middle band on the 25, moving average 25 on the 1.46 US dollar. If there have any chance, yes, you can enter the market on like slightly 1.5 or 1.6. And if you want to see on the zoom out here, the zoom out is a daily chart here. Wait a minute, it's a daily chart. Basically, for a daily chart, I'm using this for investing. I'm using this for investing, not for a trading, right? Wait a minute, we're gonna change it, the internet. Okay, we're gonna move it to the daily chart. For the daily chart, this is a daily chart. Basically, today having a little bit correction already for closing this one, the gap of this one, right? And if they go to the yellow one here, 1.35 or 1.4, then you can enter the market. As you can see in here, like 4 days before having a really big volume, and now it's having like little bit correction, trying to go to the yellow one. But if they go down, break down to that point, to the pink one side here. So if you don't want to take a risk, then you can enter on the pink side. Here, right? For the Bollinger Band here, it's already hit to the yellow one, trying to push it, hit to the pink one side here. The pink one side here, middle band on the 0.8271 US dollar, right in here, this position. But if they go up again, that it have to be pushed this one to the 2.0218 US dollar. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For the RSI stochastic also is already overbought. Thank you everyone, bye bye.